From Arizona Hardwood and Rubio Monocoat, welcome in full color the Inova Plank Collection. A full line of creativity is delivered in a 7-inch engineered American white oak plank that we colorize on-site after installation. Choose from 12 of the most popular colors offered by Rubio Monocoat or work with us to create your very own. Introducing Castle Brown, Fumed with Castle Brown, Fumed with Dark Oak, Fumed with Mist 5%, Fumed with Pure, Natural, Oak, Pistachio, Pure, Sky Gray, Smoke, and Smoked Oak. If you don't like ours, work with us to create your very own hardwood floor. With over 40 color options and treatments available through Rubio Monocoat, Inova Plank has limitless options. Learn more at azwood.com.